Good morning, students. Today, 11th of November 2020, right? As today is Wednesday. So, we are discussing the chapter number 7, our visit to Cambridge. This chapter is composed by Firdaus Kang. In the previous class, we have seen that the writer told him that most people most people have the feeling that disabled peoples are chronically unhappy one. Disabled people are chronically unhappy. He asked Hawking if he found this amusing one. He asked, you want to know the views or opinions of Stephen Hawking? To know about the feelings. The voice on the screen, computer screen, replied that he found it amusing when people patronized him. जब लोग उसे patronize, appreciate करते हैं, he felt very much amusing. The writers then asked the next question about himself. उसके बारे में question पूछते writer. He asked whether he felt very annoyed when people like him. People like to disturb him. What happened? What reaction is there? इसके बाद राइटर उससे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि जब आपको लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं बार बार सेम चीज को लेके या आप डिसेबिलिटी हो कैसे हुआ व्हाट हैपेंड विद यू लाइक दैट तो आपका रिएक्शन आर यू बिकम वेरी अनॉयड द आंसर फ्लैश्ड यस Hawking smiled and giving each an answer very promptly. Professor Hawking appeared to the writer as one of the most beautiful men in the world. Okay. स्टीफन हॉकिंग अपने आप को राइटर के सामने इस तरह प्रेजेंट करता है जिससे राइटर को ये लगता है कि ये दुनिया का सबसे खूबसूरत इंसान है. However, the writer was shaken first glimpse. जो फर्स्ट इमेज स्टीफन हॉकिंग ने राइटर के सामने रखी थी उससे थोड़ा वो शेक हुआ हिला but now he seemed to be a different change, right? Now we can continue with the next paragraph, that is page number 102. Before you light and lantern whose walls are bone, so think you glimpse only the light inside is the incandescence of a man. Before, it means that before you see the outer portion of the life, better to make initiative in the inside of your heart. का कहना है कि बाहरी चमक, बाहरी चीज को देखने से ज्यादा है इंसान की इनर ग्लो को, इनर चमक को देखा जाए, जिसमें उसकी सिर्फ खूबसूरती नहीं, उसकी बहुत सी अच्छी क्वालिटीज नजर आती है. हम अगर ह्यूमन बीइंग का फिजिकल अपीयरेंस को देख के उसके कैरेक्टर को अगर आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, दैट इज वेरी मच रॉन्ग. वी कैन नॉट जज अ पर्सन हिज अपीयरेंस ओनली. हम किसी का जजमेंट उसकी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस को देख के नहीं कह सकते. एज यू नो द प्रोवर्ब ऑल ग्लिटर इज नॉट गोल्ड. जो भी चीज चमकती है वो सोना नहीं होती है. तो इसलिए इनका भी यही, स्टीफन हॉकिंग का भी यही कहना है कि वी शुड हैव टू सी द इनर ग्लो ऑफ ए मैन. इंसान के अंदर की खूबसूरती हमें देखनी चाहिए. द बॉडी ऑलमोस्ट इररिलेवेंट exists only in case made of shadows. The body exists in this world, but when it works, when it becomes active, then the glow becomes very much initiative. So that I am no believer in eternal soul and know that this is what each of us, everything else an accessory one. So in this world, everything is very much accessory. Everything. We need everything. But to make them initiative, to make them active, the inner glow of a human being must be there. What do you think is the best thing about being disabled? I asked. The next question asked by the writer to Stephen Hawking that उसने अपना दूसरा सवाल next question पूछा, what do you think is the best thing about being disabled? क्या अच्छी बात, क्या अच्छी चीज ऐसी है जो कि disabled person में होनी चाहिए? I don't think there is anything good about being disabled. I think I said, you to discover how much kindness there is in the world. ऐसी कोई चीज अच्छी नहीं है. Being a disabled ones, nothing is good at that point of time. अगर आप सोचेंगे हमें क्या चीज अच्छी है, तो वैसे नॉर्मली हम देखेंगे तो कुछ भी चीज नहीं है. क्या? कुछ भी नहीं है. Disabled और person. But अगर हम उसे एक नया look with our own kindness, with our own pitifulness, mercifulness, then it becomes a very good one. अगर हम उसमें कुछ चीज पुट करेंगे, being a disabled one, without losing any hope, without become very nervous, okay, blaming luck, हम किस्मत पर दोष लगाते हैं कि हमारे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, क्यों हमें गॉड ने ऐसा बना दिया, लाइक दैट. नो, जो है आप उसको एक्सेप्ट कीजिए और फेस कीजिए चैलेंज. यस, ही सेड it was the disadvantage of his voice synthesizer that it could convey no reflection, convey no inflection, no shades or tone, and I could not tell how enthusiastically he agreed with me. He said that it was the disadvantage of his voice, okay, that made him convey no. If we convey our message through our own voice, it will naturally give a very good impact upon others. Through the machine, don't you think that it will give a good impact? I don't think so. आप अपने बात को अपनी जुबान से अगर बोलेंगे तो उसका एक बहुत अच्छा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. अगर वही चीज आपके थ्रू एक मशीन काम कर रही है आपके बिहाफ में, उसका रिस्पॉन्ड कितना ही अच्छा क्यों ना हो, लेकिन नहीं आएगा. ठीक है ना? So here it says that every time I shifted in my chair or turned my wrist to watch the time, every time I'm shifting my chair here to there, here to there, like that. I wanted to make every one of our 30 minutes count. I felt a huge relief and acceleration in the possibilities of my body. How little it mattered then that I would never walk or even stand. So according to Stephen Hawking, it doesn't matter that will he possible to walk or stand on his own, it doesn't matter now. Because he can do every work very smoothly. Every minute is countable for him. Okay, so he want to, doesn't matter for him that whether he would be able to walk or stand on his feet or not. But main intention was that he has to do the work whatever he has to do. Now page number 103. I told him how he had been an inspiration beyond Klitsch for me, okay, and surely for others. Did that thought help him? Now, here the writer Firdaus Kami just said that you are the inspiration for many disabled persons, for me also. So what thought did you come? What is how we can help him, each other? Writer फिरदौस खान कहते हैं कई अपंग इंसानों के, कई डिसेबल्ड पर्सन के आप एक आइडल, एक रोल मॉडल जिससे लोग इंस्पायर होकर अपने जीवन से कुछ चीज सीखते हैं. राइट? आप किस तरह से उनको अपना इनडायरेक्टली हेल्प कर सकते हैं. Stephen said, no, I thought how foolish I was to ask. When your body is claustrophobic room, means a very small and suffocating room, and the walls are going narrow day by day, means here is that कि आपके चारों ओर आपका बिल्कुल अंधेरा है, चारों तरफ से दीवार आपको घेरे रखी है और आपको कुछ करना है, वॉक करना है, मूव करना है, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? आपके चारों ओर बाउंडेशन है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू मूव हियर एंड देयर. In that case, how you can show your, how you can prove yourself? आप साबित कैसे करेंगे अपने? It doesn't do much good to know that there are people outside smiling with admiration to see you breathing still. There are people who are smiling at us and see that how we are living still now. लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो हम पे हंसते हैं और वो देखते हैं कि हम अभी तक जिंदा कैसे, सांसें कैसे ले रहे हैं, उन्हें ताज्जुब होता है. Otherwise, many disabled persons, they just sacrifice their life and they don't want to live that life. Okay, and they do wrong attempt. गलत step ले लेते हैं. Is there any advice you can give disabled people? Something that might help make life better. Now, next question by Firdaus. Do you want to give any type of message to the disabled person? Firdaus, now Stephen Hawking said that they should concentrate on what they are good at. This is a very important line in this chapter. They should concentrate what they are good at. I think things like the disabled Olympics are a waste of time. So Stephen Hawking is saying that the disabled person, they should have to concentrate only what they are good at. किसमें वो अच्छे हैं, उस पर उन्हें फोकस करना चाहिए, उस पर उन्हें एफर्ट डालना चाहिए. Instead of moving to the different sides. If I like in games or sports and I am disabled ones, is it possible for me to do that act? क्या ये possible हो सकता है कि मैं वो काम कर सकती हूँ, कि मैं sports का काम करूँ? क्योंकि मेरे लिए अभी संभव नहीं है, तो मुझे उसी पे कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए जिसमें मैं कर सकती हूँ. ओके, यहाँ स्टीफन हॉकिंग ये कहना चाहते हैं. I know what you mean. I remember the years I had spent trying to play a Spanish guitar, considerably larger than I was, and how gleefully I had unstrung it in one night. The half hour was up. I think I have annoyed you enough, I said, grinning. Thank you for it. Stay, I waited, have some tea. I can show you the garden. The garden was now. They are talking about the journal topics. Now they want to show the garden was as big as a park, but Stephen Hawking covered every inch, rumbling along in his motorized wheelchair while I dodged to keep out of the way. We could not talk very much. The sun made him silent. The letters on the screen now disappearing. An hour later, we were ready to leave. I didn't know what to do. I could not kiss him or cry. I touched his shoulder and wheeled out into the summer evening. I looked back and I knew that he was waving, though he wasn't. Watching him, an embodiment of my bravest self, the one I was moving towards, the one I had believed in for so many years alone. I knew that my journey was over for now. So here, the voice, right? The writer asked Hawking's opinions about the best thing, and the reply was negative. Okay. The writer's next question was, if this didn't help him discover great kindness, like others, the writer was also very much influenced by the Stephen Hawking. The idea didn't happen. The question made the writer feel sorry. Then the writer asked him, please give some advice or message to the disabled person. Which message dena chahte hain? The voice advised the disabled to concentrate what they are good. They should try nothing beyond it. उसके आगे सोचना नहीं है उन्हें, जिसमें वो कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हैं वही सोचेंगे. They must not be over enthusiastic. Over enthusiastic नहीं होना डिसेबल को, वो भी उनके लिए नुकसान है. Then the writer saw Hawking's big garden. के बाद writer ने Hawking का big garden देखा. At last, he wheeled out. Last wheelchair पर बैठकर वे बाहर निकल. And at last he wheeled out. The writer found his journey successful and inspiring. The writer at last found that the journey was going to be a fruitful one. Fruitful one. Journey was.
अरे मेरी क्लास चल रही है इंग्लिश की.
Fruitful, right? So